So, atomic and nuclear physics exercise problem 4. Calculate the radius of Earth. Radius of Earth means RE. If the density of the Earth is equal to the density of the nucleus. So, rho E, that is density of Earth, is equal to rho N, density of nucleus, that is given. The value of, given the mass of the Earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram. We know the density of nucleus rho N is equal to 2.3 into 10 raised to 17 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, yeah. See, this is Earth, this is nucleus in spherical shape. Spherical shape. So, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, yeah. So, நமக்கு என்னன்னா mass of Earth given, that is 5.97 into 10 raised to 27. Okay, yeah. That is equal to mass, rho E is equal to mass by volume. Volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so we are going to calculate r cube only. That is r cube is equal to 3 goes to numerator. 3 into mass of Earth by 4 into pi into rho E. Okay, yeah. So we have to find out r square. So substitute the value 3 into mass of Earth 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 divided by 4 into 3.14 into rho E. That is, rho N. That is 2.3 into 10 raised to 17. Okay, yeah. 3 into 5.97, that is equal to 17.91 divided by 4 into 3.14 into 2.3, that is equal to 28.88. Okay, yeah. 8. Okay, yeah. Power, okay, 10 raised to 24, this 10 raised to 17, while goes to numerator minus 17 plus 24 minus 17 plus 7. So, into 10 raised to 7. Okay, yeah. See, the log 17 point, while calculating, we got, that is 0.6200. That is 17 per log 17.91 is equal to 1.2532. Okay, yeah, minus 28.88. இது வந்து 5 digit இருக்கு, so 19. 28.89 is equal to 1.4608. 4608. While subtracting 4, 2, then 9, then 7. Bar 1. Antilog is equal to 0. Bar 1 no, so 0.62000. Okay, okay. So this is r cube, r e cube, r cube. Okay, so into 10 raised to 7. That is nothing but 6.200 into 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6. One digit mundu. Okay, so into 10 raised to 6. Okay, now therefore r cube is equal to this much. Therefore r is equal to 6.200 in 1 by 4 into 10 raised to 6 1 by 3. அப்போ இதையும் அடிச்சோன்னா நமக்கு 2 கிடைக்குது. அப்போ பவர் 10 raised to 2. ஓகேயா, இதோட 1 by 3 is equal to, that is இதோட வேல்யூ 1.837. So 10 raised to 2 is nothing but 100. So 2 digit you have to change it. That is equal to 183.7 meter. So radius of Earth is 183.7 meter. Okay, thank you.